The first thing we need to remember when working with quadrants is which quadrant is which. The first one is the one that you've probably been working with since primary school. That's quadrant 1. An easy mistake to make is that they then go clockwise 2, 3 and 4, but they don't. They go anti-clockwise. So quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. The other basic things that we need to remember are that coordinates always come in brackets with a comma between them. The first number is x and the second is y. Remember, the x-axis comes first and the y comes second, which is where some of you will have learned along the corridor, up the stairs. The only difference when working with 4 quadrants is that sometimes we get a negative x or a negative y. You've just got to remember, if you're working on the theory of along the corridor and then up the stairs, if you've got a negative x, it means you're going back along the corridor, and if you've got a negative y, it means you're going down some stairs. So negatives just mean backwards or downwards. Let's just look at a couple of examples from here. So if you were asked where are the coordinates of the cafe, so the cafe is here. So the coordinates of the little dot are, remember, we always start the origin, we always start at 0, 0. We always go across first, along the corridor first, which is 2, and then up the stairs 3. So the cafe is at coordinates 2, 3, and they are both positive. I went along 2, up 3. What about the campsite, which is just here? So this time, again, always starting at the origin, always starting at 0, 0. I'm going backwards, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then up 4. So I've gone -5, back 5, and then up 4. And that was to get to the campsite. Last example we're going to look at is the post office. So the post office, I have to go along 2 and down 2. So my coordinates would be 2 - 2 to get to the post office.